Richards, one of the original compact drivers here at the Speedway.
So we wait for the orange cone on the front straightaway. Dustin Shepard leading to the front. Shepard missed the shift there, but he got a bump draft from Mills. Everybody got to watch for the 1 and 2. It's Dustin Shepard off to that early race lead. Owen Richards in at second spot. Tyler Hoover going to look to his inside down the back straightaway. Your current point leader here at the Adams County Speedway. Oh wow, Owen Richards going to send it in there hard. Makes contact, and he's just going to keep on driving through him. Shepard going to hang on.
Richards just goes blazing in there into 3 and 4. Brett Shepard takes the race, and Dustin right there in second. Looks like Avery Mills had to pull off the Speedway. Down 4 cars here. Into 3 and 4 we go. Brett's the leader. Dustin right there in second. Tyler Hoover right there in that third spot with Owen Richards.
Separation between all the drivers in this race. 2.5 laps left to go. 98 of Brett Shepard, 1 win on the year already. And 129 comes up with 4 laps left to go. It is the top 3 with 8 laps. So Owen Richards would like to catch that 27 to Tyler Hoover, but he has got quite a gap to make up. His old man, Brett Shepard, got that right rear off the back straightaway. He hangs on to it, though. Trying to bring this one home. He's going to see the white flag, just like his car, off of corner number 2 this time. Great observation. Richards. Ready to go 1 foul behind Brett Shepard. Right there looking on around TV. It's the car pointed in the right direction down there in 3 and 4 off the corner. He sees the checkered flag in hand. He's going to pick it up. Keep racing. Here goes Brett Shepard.